From birding and hiking to sports and travel, Nature DX binoculars are your perfect outdoor companion. Ranging in size from a compact 8x25 to a large 12x56, there's a Nature DX to fit any outdoor activity. The Cornell Lab of Ornithology selected Nature DX 8x42 as its top choice in binoculars under $200, providing high-end features at a value price. Nature DX sports fully multi-coated optics and phase-coated BA-K4 prisms for brighter images with increased contrast and resolution. Select models offer a close focus as little as 6.5 feet, perfect for up-close observing. Nature DX features a rugged, rubber-armored body, and it's waterproof and nitrogen-purged for use in any weather condition. Every Nature DX binocular includes a neck strap and carrying case.
I'm here today to share with you these amazing binoculars that we have. We use these all the time. They're so great and heavy duty, great quality. With these binoculars, they come with the binoculars, but also this really great bag to store them in. So if you're traveling, it's really handy to keep them protected right in this bag. Love that there's a handle and it has easy Velcro to open and close. It also comes with this string to attach so you can have it around your neck or just wherever you want. And also comes with this nice cloth to wipe away the lenses if there's any dust or any dirt that may be there. It's easy to just wipe away and keep clean. With these binoculars, there's some caps that go on the front and the back to keep away any dust. So if you're storing them, you want to make sure that these stay on. They're really great. They come on and off really easy. They are a comfortable binocular. They're not too heavy, but you can tell that they're very quality made just because of the weight to them. Looking up, we do a lot of bird watching and things like that, but these would be great at concerts, in the boat, just anywhere you need to see at a distance, clear and really great quality. So you can see that they fit nicely on my face. The clarity of these binoculars are phenomenal. I look through them and everything is so clear. You can see the twigs on the branches, the vibrant colors. It's just a really, really clear product and they're really great to have. We use them all the time and we think you'll really like them. Another feature that I love about these binoculars is that if it's raining out or if it's a little bit damp or wet, that these are waterproof. So it doesn't make you have to go inside and not being able to use them. And also another thing is that if you want for a more stable feel, they can connect to a tripod. So you can have a better view and better stability. They're really heavy duty and a great, great product. As I mentioned earlier about them being waterproof, I just want to show you how waterproof they are. You could get them very wet and not have to worry about any of that water going inside your eyepieces to be able to see. All I would have to do right now is dry clean and they're ready to use.
Be ready for your next outdoor adventure with Outland X binoculars from Celestron. These easy-to-use binoculars are great for beginners. Twist-up eye cups ensure correct positioning of the eye with or without glasses, while an ergonomic housing makes Outland X easy to grip even with gloves on. A large, smooth focus wheel helps you bring subjects into view quickly. Inside, Outland X binoculars offer advanced features like fully multi-coated optics and BAK4 prisms for increased light transmission and brighter images. The compact 8x25 and 10x25 models are perfect for stashing in a pocket or your car's glove compartment. The full-size 8x42 and 10x42 models, available in both black and green, gather more light for brighter views and detailed observation of birds, wildlife, concerts, sporting events, and more. All Outland X binoculars are waterproof and fog-proof, so you can use them confidently in any weather condition. Each model includes a neck strap, semi-attached lens caps, and a carrying case.